Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm just going to show you the cheap action camera I got. It's the GoExtreme Vision 4K. It's got several different recording modes, as you can see here on the box, but it doesn't come with a memory card, so I had to get one of them separate. Now, obviously I'd love a GoPro, but they cost quite a lot of money, and I just went down to Argos and got this for, I think it was £80 or something like that, so not too bad. Fairly reasonable anyhow. I mean, if you're going to be chucking something in water every now and again, you don't really want to be risking 400 quid, do you? As you can see, it comes with loads of accessories. The case that comes with it is supposed to be waterproof up to 30 metres, and it seems pretty solid actually. I mean, the clip on it's really pretty cool. All of these pieces as well work with GoPros, so it's the same sort of fitting sort of thing. So yeah, that's quite handy for people that already have those sort of bits and bobs. What I would say on the downside is that the recording time on it is maximum of 30 minutes, and then it automatically cuts off. That can be quite annoying, I imagine. But for action sequences, usually you're not going to be doing more than 30 minutes at a go anyhow, which is quite good. I mean, the screen on it's a 2-inch LCD screen, so it's not too bad, but it's not touchscreen. So it's good that the apps that you can get with it that work wirelessly will counteract that to some degree. So let's test out the waterproof case. Passed the waterproof test there with flying colours. Look forward to trying the different settings and other videos in the future. Hopefully you enjoyed this video guys, you might give it a like, maybe even subscribe. Till then, take care.